me as I make this adorable little marshmallow bunny snow globe tumbler. We're using 1 part glue to 3 parts water for our solution, and we are adding in our little polymer clay shapes. We have over 400 different ones available in our shop. We're using Stardust for a little bit of pink tint and a little bit of shimmer. We're going to shake that in and then keep alternating our solution with our clay shapes. I use this little Zone Gym massager. It really helps to get all those pieces in super quick. I was able to make this tumbler in under 40 minutes, which is awesome. So once you get all of your solution in, go ahead and use our resin markers corks to cork it up. This allows you to mix it in really well and preview it before you seal it up. So this is a nice trick. Go ahead and top it off, add a little alcohol spray inside, and that will help to get rid of those bubbles. We're going to top it off and then sand the surface to get that resin to adhere very well. Clean it with alcohol, and we're going to cast our plugs with the soft coat UV resin. It creates these nice squishy perfect plugs to seal up this tumbler. Go ahead and add some original formula, put the plug in, and then we're going to add more original formula over the top of the plug before we cure it. Using the magic cure for 1 minute at 36 watts. Take out your other cork and repeat the process. Top it off with solution, add UV resin, put the plug in, more UV resin, and cure for 60 seconds. Adding a little Dirty Diana and Heaven, perfect mixture for this tumbler. Add some to the UV resin, and then we're going to mix it up really well. I did warm my resin before this step, you guys. It makes it nice and runny and easy to spread, making sure I don't miss any nooks and crannies here. Once it's cured, add my decal, seal it off with some more original formula, add a little heat to get rid of bubbles, and cure that for 60 seconds at 36 watts. This is the end result before vinyl, you guys. This is coming together so cute. This is going to be adorable for Easter. Now let's go ahead and add a V-split to top it off and just add a little bit of character. I got this vinyl from LMNOP Designs. Beautiful. I'll top it off with some food safe epoxy and we're good to go.